Intersection of two arrays. Keep a value only when both sorted pointers match. Keep only values found in both arrays. A match enters the output, otherwise move past the smaller value. The two pointers always mark the smallest values we have not processed yet. Place one pointer at the first value of each sorted array. Only values seen in both lanes will enter the output. Place one pointer at the first unused value in each sorted array. The output starts empty. 1 and 2 do not match. 1 is smaller and cannot match later. Advance A. The output does not change. 2 appears in both lanes, so append one copy. The output becomes 2. 2 matches again, but it is already in the intersection. The output does not change. 3 and 4 do not match. 3 is smaller and cannot match later. Advance A. The output does not change. Intersection of two arrays comes down to 3 ideas. Move past the smaller unmatched value. Append one copy when both pointers match. Skip duplicate matches already present in the output. O n plus m time and O k output space. Initialize the state that the dry run uses on screen. Process the input in the same order shown by the matrix dry run. Apply the core comparison, stack, graph, tree, or counting update for this problem. Return the final value once the scan or traversal is complete. The dry run follows the standard interview solution with linear or logarithmic work as shown in the summary.